y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Taren and I love connecting with other moms, so I really hope you'll subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button right here down below. You can even hit the bell symbol and that will notify you anytime I post a brand new video. So today I'm providing you with a major cleaning motivational video as requested by one of my lovely subscribers. I love hearing feedback from you guys, so if you have any videos that you would like to see from me next, please be sure to leave it in the comment box down below. Usually every Friday is the day that I like to really get the house picked up for the weekend, so that way I don't have to stress about doing it over the weekend when we're having family time. So the main areas that really drive me crazy to see clutter or mess or anything are the kitchen, the dining room, living room, and then the kids' bathroom is usually always disgusting every week. So those are the areas I'm going to focus on today. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that my daughter had to have emergency surgery a couple weeks ago, actually on Easter Sunday. And so it's kind of been chaotic around here. And to be honest, I haven't cleaned at all in the last couple of weeks because it's been just so chaotic. So I have both kids down for a nap right now. So I am going to go ahead and get started, and I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and here we go. Usually to start my cleaning routine, I like to pick up any clutter and get things put back into their place before I get started. Next, I like to do the dishes so I can get the sink cleaned out and get that cleaned up too. Next up, I like to pick up any remaining clutter that is also in our dining room. As you can see, these flowers have been here for a little while, so I'm just picking out the flowers that still look nice and putting them in a smaller bud vase before throwing the rest of the old flowers away. Next up, I start my surface cleaning, so I start just by wiping down our dining table and then cleaning up Brindley's high chair, which she manages to get caked on food all over all the time. This is a new surface cleaner that I tried out, and I actually really love the smell of it. It's a floral scent and it smells really good and just kind of freshens up your home. I like to just work my way around the kitchen and start with cleaning the countertops and then move over to the sink and get that nice and cleaned out before moving on to the rest of my countertops. Our fridge and microwave are usually covered in sticky little tiny handprints, so I use this multi-surface cleaner by Windex, and it's really great for stainless, so I do that first to get it cleaned up before I move on to polish it. Then next, I love to go into the living room and start picking up any clutter there. And in case you're wondering, we got new couches recently, and I love to keep these blankets over them just to keep them nice and clean as much as possible, with the kids being on them all the time. Then I move on to cleaning our floors, and I use this microfiber broom first before I move on to mop it with a Swiffer. And this brand that I'm using right now is actually by Swapped, and it's really cool because they have interchangeable broom heads that you can use, so it just kind of takes up less storage space. Then I like to get into the kids' bathroom and start cleaning that up as well, which is usually always a disaster every single week. Moms of boys, y'all know what I mean, am I right? Okay, that was a lot of cleaning, you guys. It's been about 2 hours since the kids both went down for their naps, so I kind of cut off the cleaning there because I know they're literally going to be up any minute now. But I really hope that this video provides you with some sort of cleaning motivation. And so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And also in the comment box below, I'd love for you to give me any feedback or suggestions on which video you would love to see from me next. Also, let's be friends on Facebook and Instagram. I know as stay-at-home moms especially, our days can be really lonely and mundane and repetitive a lot of the time. So I'd really love to connect with you more there on a deeper level. And I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
To